I reckon I'm rolling. I hope I am. We're down here at the racetrack. Done a lot going on here today. They got the dust of bowling. They sure have. This has been a little dusty and loud out here. There goes old Isaac. I'm gonna throw a video together for y'all, if y'all bear with me. A lot of racket, I'm here to tell you. A lot of them out here today. Got a man trying to work the track. They're trying to ride. It's just a big time. I'm about as busy as a one-legged man in a buck kicking contest here. All I can do to keep them getting run over top of. Boy, I'm telling you what's the truth. Well, I can turn it on now. Here comes old Isaac. Yeah, man. Here comes a little fella. Oh, he's getting her down, though. Today's shout out is going to Tampa Boys Customs. I didn't bring nothing with me, but they kind of wild too down there in Florida. So that's today's shout out. Go check his channel out. He got a good channel. Tampa Boys Customs is the shout out. I thought I'd go on and throw that out there. Hope y'all can like it. I hope you do like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Here comes Mr. Isaac again. Yeah, he's getting her done. There's another right behind him. That little fellow there's getting better every trip. They're turning it on now. Here comes old Isaac again. He's getting her done. Now today's shout out is Tampa Boys Customs. Go check his channel out. I didn't bring no information with me on who to give a shout out to, but they do some pretty wild stuff on there. Go check him out. They got a good channel. I thank y'all for watching. I may get off in a minute. I might let it run a little longer, but if you can, if you ain't already, subscribe. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. This has been Mr. G 1965, and we'll catch you later.